Hello, I am Jesse David Eisenberg with JDE Law Firm. I am a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business. Today I'd like to talk about ripeness. Okay, I had a client, she became a client come to me because she's being sued by her mother, which is unfortunate to begin with. And she was being sued by her mother for renovation money that she borrowed from her mother to fix her house. Now, the mother's suing because she wants the money back, and she thinks she should have it right now. I read through the complaint very thoroughly, and for some reason, the attorney on the other side put in the complaint that, that the agreement was that the money would be paid back once the renovations were done on the house. Well, lo and behold, I speak to the client, and she goes, well, the renovations aren't even close to being done. She sent me pictures of the living room, the bathroom, the basement, and the rooms are still down to their studs. So it gives me a really easy out here. I get to file a motion to dismiss the complaint based on ripeness, which means the case is not ready for litigation. Okay? When you have a case, you have to make sure whatever reason you're suing has occurred. So in this case, they're suing for a breach of contract. Now, the contract supposedly states that payment is due once the house renovations are finished. House renovations aren't finished, so she hasn't breached the contract because the time to pay hasn't occurred yet. So I make a motion to dismiss based on ripeness, and it should be granted. And then my client gets out of it, and the other, her mother is unfortunately, for her, out money on a lawyer and, doing a case, and she has to wait a year or 6 months or 2 years until the renovations are done to try again. So this is why, a good attorney, of course, makes sure that for whatever reason they're suing, all the elements of it are met. So in this case, a breach of contract, and that, again, you're suing on a breach of contract, the contract has to actually be breached. So this is why, again, like I said, the attorney needs to look into the case better. And for me, it's an easy win for me and my client. So I hope that explains ripeness a little bit. If you have any questions on ripeness or anything else pertaining to business litigation and you want to speak with me, feel free to go to my website, jdelaw.nyc, and go to schedule a consultation. I'd be happy to speak with you. And again, this is Jesse David Eisenberg with JDE Law. I'm a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business. All right, thanks guys.